Lezi izindaba zethembisa online. Right ake sikubingelele sikwamukele sawubona igama lami ngingumfanelo uPhenyi Bheshu ngingwakwaZanibe isibongo. Sikwethulela izindaba konke okwenzekayo endaweni yaseThembisa, Ivory Park, Rabe Ridge nezindawo ezisungezile. Sikwethulela umbiko lapho sithi khona imeya yomkhandlu dolobha waseKuruleni umhlonishwa uNkosindiphile Dr Xhakaza ubambe umcimbi lapho ke kubungazwa khona abesifazane. Siyazi ukuthi kuhlangana iminyaka engamashumi ayisikhombisa yilokho ke abantu besifazane bamasha belwela ke ushintsho noma uguquko ngokwemthento lapha ke ezweni laseNingizimu Afrika bemashela ke ePitoli. Siyazi ukuthi ke kuzwe lonke umongameli wezwe laseNingizimu Afrika umhlonishwa uCyril Ramaphosa ubambe ke lo mcimbi lapha yana ke ezindlini zombuso khona ke ePitori ukuhlonipha ke abantu besifazane. Ake sithole kabanzi ngemeya ukuthi ke lo mcimbi obanjelwe la eOkmore Extension 7 umayelana nani. Siyabonga kakhulu mama njengembokodo ehlonishwa ezweni laseNingizimu Afrika. Sicela nje ukunika ithuba kuThembisa online uzethule emphakathini.
Igama lami nguNomvula Mugonyani, ngu-Deputy Secretary General we-African National Congress.
Sicela ukusichazele kabanzi ngohambo lakho la namhlanje. Siyazi ukuthi ungomunye wabantu besifazane mangikhumbula kahle nje uke waphatha nasesifundazweni kuningi la usuka khona. Abantu besifazane babethathwa njengabantu abagcina ekitchen kuphela kodwa namhlanje kunemicimbi nalo ohambele namhlanje.
Silana namuhla njengosuku futhi eliqhubeka ligubha iminyaka ewu70 emveni kokuthi amakhosikazi wala eNingizimu Afrika afika ePretoria, more than 20,000 yabona, and they gathered in Pretoria because they had a common mission to protest against the past laws. So namuhla sibhiyozela ibravery yabo, sibhiyozela i-resilience yabo njengoba sihlangene la sikhumbula nalabo bake bahola khona la eKuruleni kusese East Rand kunekhaya lami manje kune eKuruleni amakhosikazi abomama intombi zomzabalazo ezi umeya aqale iprogram yokuqala nqa ezweni lonke yokuhalalisela imindeni nalabo abasebashiya kuyingxenye yoku celebrate and appreciate the role that women have played.
Sizwile ispeech sika president yesterday uyasho ukuthi as much as inkululeko bayithola kodwa ke kukhona okukhathaza kakhulu which is iGBV. Uthini umlayezo wenu to the perpetrators and also to the survivors beGBV?
Njengoba umongameli ekhulumile izolo about ukuthi yebo we now have political freedom, but women are not yet economically free, but also women are victims and gender-based violence and femicide is on the rise. Ukuthi kumele ukuthi siqale emindenini, siqale endaweni zethu zokuhlala, siqinisekise ukuthi uhulumeni lo siphethe kwa nationally in the province nala eKuruleni uba namahlelo okwenforce ama-bylaws, uba nama-victim support systems. Our streets must be lit, tall grass must be cut, house numbering must happen. When a perpetrator has committed a crime, the police must act on that. Our courts must make sure that women do not become secondary victims when they go to court. But that we can only win if both men and women stand united like the women of 1956, but most importantly, us women being united.
Heading to the elections on the 4th of November, we saw the IEC making the declaration and making sure that all roads lead to our election. Your message?
Well, seyisukile, the very fact that the IEC has now done a proclamation okulandelayo manje ukuthi sonke sithule ukuthi sidume ngani. Sivume namacala ethu lapho singalungisanga khona kodwa sithembisa umphakathi ukuthi asiphi nje izithembiso. Kuyabonakala nje namanje ukuthi esikhathini esiningi njengala eKuruleni umeya lwesinaye unonyaka nje ekhona la. Abantu bangakhohlwa inkinga ezadalwa yilaba bebeloke bephethe la eKuruleni emveni kokuthi kusuka bomzwandile Masini. Sithembise futhi ukuthi sinama councillors esithe kumphakathi ababe yingxenye yokubakhetha and sithemba ukuthi kukhethwe abantu abathembekayo abazobiza imihlangano abazoba ingxenye ama-IDP abazofaka ama-priority wabantu kwi-IDP yomunye nomunye umasipala. Kepha thina kwa-ANC sizobe sethula imanifesto yethu kuleli viki elilandelayo siyotshela umphakathi wala eNingizimu Afrika ukuthi our broad manifesto ikhuluma ngani. Emveni kwalokho bazoza ke omeya ne-ANC ekuruleni isho ukuthi izoba kanjani i-commitment ye-ANC ekuruleni, izoba kanjani i-commitment ye-ANC ye-Nelson Mandela Bay. I-ANC yodwa eqinisekisa futhi ukuthi kulama list esinawo kuba nabantu besifazane. We have a gender parity policy, ukuthi not less than 50% must be women. There's no other party. We're urging South African women, 70 years after this heroic march, that don't choose a party that does not accept your capability.
Mayor, thank you so much. Siyajabula ukuthi sibe nethuba that we speak to you namhlanje. Please kindly introduce yourself and tell us about this program yanamhlanje.
Mangibonge kakhulu Mfanelo. Uthini ngebheshu?
Hayi siyaphila kakhulu.
Uxhakaza umeya Xhakaza umeya waseGuruleni. Silayithembisa namhlanje. Sithe nathi masibambe uqhaza kulo mbhiyozo ukubhiyozelwa abomama. I-role yabomama that has been immense. So when they marched to to Union Building in 1956, we continue to celebrate that legacy. Izola abomama bebeke Union Building, mara nathi sithe cha namhlanje ithi senze okuncane celebrate nje omama abadlala iqhaza ekuhlaleni. Mangisho kwezepolitika bebe amakhansela bakhuphuka kanjalo kakompi, abanye ke bebekhokhela ngamaqembu futhi ke abanye abaleader i-development yasekuhlaleni abomama ababambe iqhaza kuma NPOs kuma NGOs thuthukiswa endaweni zokuhlala. Sithi ke i-contribution abomama is immense because emakhaya siyayazi wonke amakhaya ayama ngoba abomama banothando banecare. Ngisho nje ekuhlaleni ama-section ngama-section unokubona nje ukuthi umphakathi ubumbane. I-role yabomama it's their contribution, it's immense. So that's what we're celebrating. We celebrated few names. Bomama Simdlalose, he was a deputy mayor, then transition, umama Mvai Nzali, umama ubomthola nje emgwaqweni ukufaka ikontiri kuphethwa ama-pothole, organize abanye bomama ukuthi amakuzwe makusetshenzwe, organize labo bomama into zokudla abasokolayo, ama-food parcels. Kanjalo mangisho ukuthi unokuthula sikhakhana omama ulungile mtshali. Yamazi lo mama waseKatlehong okuthiwa umama ulungile mtshali MMC Finance wenza leya project okuthiwa ihlabahlaba ukuthi abantu bakwazi ukuthi bathole imisebenzi yesikhashana. Sengisho ukuthi abomama nje abarane amaqhaza wabo has been very significant. Masisho ukuthi sizo yenza ke research the most thola amagama futhi abantu abazwa ekuhlaleni who must then be honored, and it goes a long way really to honor people who have done well, because those who have NPOs they are able to use that honor bayibeke lapha to demonstrate ukuthi ekuhlaleni kune recognition. Akunamali ke etheni, but to just be given a certificate, to be given a blanket ebhaliwe pha igama lakho and all that, to be given a South African flag. Sengisho ukuthi that goes a long way. Sithi ke ngokwenza lokhu we're hoping to encourage young people to take part in the development of their own community, to take part in arts and culture, to take part in recreation activities, to take part in developmental initiatives, to take part in the care of their own communities, to be volunteers, to be activists. It actually goes a long way to build the society that we want.
Maybe Mayor, in closing, what an event, so much organized event. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi it's from your office and also nama stakeholders enibambisene now. We even saw recognizing ama families, giving ama certificate to the families of the late abantu besifazane. Maybe in closing, lo mlayezo ngabe usho ukuthini?
Ubaluleke kakhulu because abantu who are activists, they spend their time away from their own homes. for the benefit of others. They don't, they sacrifice some of their time that they should be looking after their families, they look after umphakathi. So we really want to celebrate the families as well. The fact that they've allowed their fathers, their mothers in this case, to go out there in the service of others, while not giving them all the love. And we really want to say we appreciate those families because that is their precious time. That is the love from their mom. That love has been shared, with others. And when they are no more, we really want to say it is not just the female activist, the female leader, the female hero, but it is because of the families. Our families, they've allowed them to be shared with us. They've allowed them to be shared with society. Sitting we're encouraging more activists out there to do more. We're encouraging more amaqhawe wesimame to do more, to participate with development of society. Ngisho ukuthi ezepolitiki, ngisho ukuthi ezedevelopment, ngisho ukuthi ezentuthukiso umphakathi, ngisho ukuthi ezepoverty alleviation, kanye nasemabhizinisini nje across omama mele ukuthi basimame basibambele. And the logo, it assists to build, this great city, to build this great nation.
Hlonishwa, thank you so much.
Masibonga.
Njengamanje sinelinye ke lamaciko ngizolinika ithuba ngilinika umbhobho bese ke ngifuna ukuzwa ukuthi usibingelela kanjani iqhaza lakhe alibambile namhlanje. Nkosazana.
Molo.
Uyaphila?
Kuhle konjani mfanelo?
Ndifuna unibulise ngalendlela yakho man. Undithi ungixolele ungubani bese unibulisa ngalendlela yakho.
Okay, mina ke ndiyaneliswa kwamtshixxa ubizwa ngoLisa umadosini umqhoqana uncele kancele nduna unqabashe. Intombazane ezithembayo yomxhosa engalaziyo uba ibuyapi kamva kodwa liphambili uyalibona.
I-contribution yakho namhlanje ihamba kanjani? Ngibonile abantu bekujabulela, ubowuthini kubona?
Bengigqithisa imessage into bana bangalibali indlela apho basuka khona qala, the roots. Uba sibe lapha nje bekutheni. Those women abalwileyo bebelwela ntoni eqala singathathi amandla abantwana babantu siwadicilele phansi. Remember umuntu ongenasiko akazazi bubuyapi, so sinemva nje sinomphambili sinomva. Remember history into yethu kamva lethu sifunda kulo.
Umuntu mayekubuka esithombeni angazi noma ngizothi ushuqule noma wenze njani, ubuka ngathi ubuka umama kodwa umncinci. How old are you?
I'm 26.
Uyi youth
Eqinile.
Kodwa ke yini ekukhuthazile ukuthi namhlanje uhlobe ngalendlela?
Dingumuntu wesifazane, remember kule gender based violence esikuyo ngokulendlela ekubulawa ngayo abantu besimame. Kalenyanga yamanina, remember lenyanga yamanina yethu bentu besifazane kodwa asinalo ngokulungelo. We don't have a right and a say as a woman. So njengoba ngumntana omncinci represent umfazi owendileyo kodwa abuzwayo emzini. Abanye abendele into bana bengazazi baba yephi. Bacinga nje bacinga iroof qhaba as long kunendawo yokuhlala ngaphezulu kwami noba ngenzeka ntoni. So remember abantu bakulwela now, know your rights. Yes siyavuma siphila kwixesha elinzima but then you must know ukuthi ubuyapi. Thank you. Sibonge.
Iyake muzwa kwethu bese ngakho ke indaba okuyizona bese kuphathele zona kulolu suku lwanamhlanje lapho ke begujwa khona ke usuku lwabesifazane nalapho ke kuhlonishwe khona nabantu ke besifazane abebebambe iqhaza lokuthuthukiswa ke kweminotho nokwelekelela nje ekuthenini ke izwe libonakale liyizwe elinalento esibiza ukuthi inclusive economy ikakhulukazi la ethembisa noma ekuruleni yonkana uhlelo ke lolu besilethulelwa ke ibona abemeya yomkhandlu idolobha wasekuruleni the city of Ekurhuleni mayor's office. Kuhle muzwa kwethu kanti ithombe ke nemsindo siqoshelwe asesipho Fiklen ebambisene nobaba uhlatshwayo. Sibonga kakhulu nje kalokhu ke umcimbi lo noma ke imbiko siqophela lapha endaweni yase extension 7 mawuthanda ungathi Okmore khona la ethembisa.